So let's start for experiment number 16, BCD two-segment decoder. So first is, this decoder's operation is quite straightforward basically. The IC interprets the BCD code across its inputs, pins, and outputs to light up the required segments in a 7-segment LED display. There are many 7-segment decoder or display driver ICs available today. So this experiment uses the 74LS47 IC, which is electrically identical to the 74LS247. The main difference of this IC is the LS247 displays the digit 6 and 9 with tails. So the LS47 is equipped with a 4-bit BCD, input rebel, blanking input, RVI, blanking input, ripple blanking output, RVO, and the lamp test input, the RVI, is used for trailing edge zero blanking control. The BI RVO is used to control the verifying the frequency and the duty cycle of the input signals or to input the outputs. The best way to see how this IC function is to connect to the 7-segment LED display. The 7-segment display required for the IC is a common anode type. So let's start for this my work for the 7-segment, no, for multi-sim 14.1. So as you can see, this is my IC 74LS47N, no, which is nakakonect siya sa ating VDC4 5.0 volts. Ang ating SPDT switch na S1, S2, S3, S4, key space, ayan. And we have resistor na R1, R2, R3, hanggang R7. 7 resistor we have. So, the value of our resistor is for 70 ohms and 5% tolerance. And our 7-segment and may number. So, let's start. Ito, nakakonect pala yung ating resistor 1 for A, R2 for B, R3 for C, R4 for D, R5 for E, R6 F, and lastly is R7 is to G. So, which is sa taas ang ating CA, which is nakakonekta sa pang 16 na pin ng IC and nakakonect siya sa ating VDC4 5.0 volts. Ayan. So, ang ating ground, nakakonekta siya sa pang 8 pin. Ayan. Last. So, let's run it. Okay. Okay. Ano ba na nakaraan? Oops. Nakabukas lahat. So, ayan. Let's try na switch on our SPDT number 1. Ayan. Nag-run 1. Our second is 2. Our S3 is 4. S4 is 8. Ayan, gumagana sila lahat. Ayan. Ayun. Nawala. Nagkakaroon siya ng mga letters. Parang letters. Okay, number 1. So, ayun na. Napagana natin siya, no? And, ayun. Tapos na tayo sa ating experiment number 16. Nakita natin na gumagana na yan. So, ayun. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig at panonood ng aking video about sa experiment number 16, 7-segment. So, hanggang sa muli. Maraming salamat.